Let's talk about 3 new AI tools that Meta has just released to save you time and improve your ad results. But before we dive in, please hit the subscribe button. Now, these tools have been created to increase your personalization, your productivity, and the performance of your campaigns. And you may not see them in your account yet, but eventually they'll be rolling them out to everybody's accounts. So the 3 tools are the background generation tool, the text variation tool, and the image expansion tool. So let's go through each of those particular features, and I'll show you where to find them within the Ads Manager itself. So the first tool that I want to take you through is the background generation tool. Now, this is specifically for e-commerce types of businesses. And what it allows you to do is it allows you to create multiple backgrounds for your particular product images. So using a text input, you can swap out the background of your current image and replace it with a background or multiple different backgrounds that may be more likely to capture a user's attention. Now, we know the impact of the creative when it comes to your ad performance. So we want to be able to test different backgrounds that allow us to optimize your ads and get better results. So this is going to be of particular importance for smaller businesses or those with a smaller budget that may not have graphic designers or photographers, or the ability to be able to create different assets for their particular product images. So if you have this tool, why not give it a go? Let's dive into the Ads Manager and have a look at where you can find it. So as I mentioned, this particular tool is for e-commerce brands with product stores. So you need to be able to go to the Advantage Plus catalog ads to use the tool. And as I said, it creates a simple way for you to be able to swap out your ad creative. So in all of our particular ad accounts, we don't have this tool yet, but I'm going to show you where to find it. So as you probably know, there are 3 levels, or you may not know, there are 3 levels when it comes to your campaigns. You've got the campaign level, the ad set level, and the ad level. So you need to go to the ad level of an Advantage Plus catalog ad. And if you scroll down, you want to make sure that you are selecting catalog under the creative source, and then the format is going to be carousel. Then what you need to do is you need to pick your catalog and your particular product set that you want to advertise, and then you are going to come down into the Advantage Plus Creative section and click Edit. And eventually this tool will be showing in this area. So as you can see, we can't see the background generation tool quite yet, but when you can, it's going to appear here and you'll be able to scroll through and test out different backgrounds that are more likely to stop scroll, captures the user's attention in the hopes that they will take your desired actions, such as head to your website or your landing page and perhaps download a freebie, sign up to your email list, buy a particular product of yours, or make a booking. So that is the first tool that I wanted to take you through. Next tool that I wanted to take you through is the image expansion tool. Now, what this AI feature allows for you to do is to seamlessly, using the software, adjust your particular graphic to different ratio formats so that you don't have to do it yourself. So for example, if you had a square formatted image, what it would do is it would elongate the image itself. So it would add surface above and below that particular image so that it suited the format of a stories size ad or for a particular reel size ad. So the beauty of this particular feature is that it allows you to spend less time, money, or resource repurposing all your different ads to create graphics that suit all the different formats, and it just does it itself for you. So let's go through how that may look. So essentially, where you find this is that you again come into the ad section. So you select one of your ads, and I'm using a different example in our example count this time. So you would come down, so if this is your ad setup, you would come all the way down to where your actual Advantage Plus Creative section is again, and select the edit button within the ads section. And then you would scroll down until you can see the particular expand image function, and you would turn that on. So let's turn that on and see how it looks. Now, it's believed that when the graphics suit the actual ratio size of their format, it's more likely to get clicks and people are more likely to take action. So it's a good feature to try to see your performance of your ads starts to improve. Sorry, this feature will appear under the optimized media with Advantage Creative. So this is how it looks. As you can see, it's added some surface above and below the image. So this format is now going to suit more elongated formats such as stories or reels. So that's a really new cool AI tool that has been added to their repertoire. The third tool that we are going to take you through is the text variation tool. So what you do is you simply input your copy into the primary text field, for example, and Meta will provide you with a number of different text variations highlighting the key benefits and features of your particular offer. Now, we know Meta has a lot of data available, so what they're offering is probably going to help optimize the performance of your campaigns. So the more testing and optimizing that you do of your campaigns and the different features and variables from the text to the images, etc., the better you are going to optimize your campaigns and the better results that you are going to see from your particular campaigns. So basically what you want to do is you want to come to the ad level again, and straight under the Ad Plus Creative section where you actually add in your primary text for your campaign, you will add your copy into there. And what it's going to do is it is going to provide a number of suggested text variations. So essentially you can go down and scroll through and have a look at the different options they've provided. And if you think any are suitable, you can obviously add those and you can test out different variations of copy to see if your ads perform better. So as you can see, Meta is working really hard to optimize the performance of your campaigns and save you time. So I recommend giving these particular features a go, test and optimize your campaigns to see if your results improve. Now, don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button now. And if you aren't sure if your brand is ready for Meta ads, we have created the perfect freebie for you below. So you'll be able to determine if your brand is ready to invest in Meta ads before you've even spent a cent. So download that guide free below and we'll see you next time.